It looks like it's Asian, London consolidation, New York manipulation, and then I think it's going to expand. That's what it honestly looks like it wants to buy, right? Because you got consolidation, then the New York is manipulated. That's exactly what it looks like. So for me, if I ever did try to catch a buy, it would have to be on some type of level of demand. Like this is a demand level right here, so I would definitely mark it up, right? So this is a level of demand too right here. Right. I really would go with a buy bias just because London consolidation, Asian consolidation, New York manipulation. See that right there? New Yorkers underneath the true day. So remember, what are dumb money is looking to sell, smart money looking to buy in regards to this true day. So I would want to wait for some strong displacement. If see that it's stacked. So I definitely got buys to sells. The same thing, right? Accumulation. Look, see how they all look. Right? Hour imbalance. You can see price never cleaned that up there. We gotta wait for some type of displacement. This might be a quick buy to sell. So there it goes. See that displacement? It could buy today because today is Tuesday, so it could be that manipulation. And then tomorrow it can fucking sell off like crazy. One or the other. Because remember, Powell speaks back to back. We want to see it. Look, now we got the displacement now. Okay. So now we got the London consolidation, Asian, London consolidation, New York manipulation. So around 12 to 1, we should see some type of we should see some type of pullback type shit. Right. So usually this often happens when you have high news days, right? High impact news, right? Either 8:30, 10 o'clock, right? So what's happening right now is Asian and London is fighting for the range, right? New York would manipulate into some type of PD array, right? Um, right, so right there. So if you guys did take that buy, I wouldn't be mad at you. But me, I'm very systematic. I need to see everything, all my ducks fall in a row first, right? So from 8:30 to 9:30 should be that distribution. 10 o'clock should be a continuation. So I might like I said, you want to wait for a pullback. And then the 12 to 4, you'll probably see like some type of um like manipulation. Not manipulation, sorry, like a draw liquidity, like 12 to 4, draw liquidity, right? And you see a lot of these on Fridays too, right? So that would be something like, right? So if you look at this Asian, and this is a daily, it's called daily profile. So you got like what helps with this, right? Well, it helps because if you've seen what Asian London is doing, it kind of, and we literally just called it out. Like I literally just said exactly what it should do based off of just structure. So anything can happen, right? Anything can happen based off of probabilities. But at the end of the day, it's like, yo, I'm going to base it off of this Asian range, London, Asian and London range and distribution. Remember what I showed you? We waiting for a pullback, right? So this is the daily candle. So this is called daily profile. So what we want to see is this. So this would be your full daily candle, You got your high, you got your close, you got your open, you got your lows. What does it mean? So market opens here, right? This is Asian. Asian opens up here, right? This is the low, right? So that means that price will pull back down here. This would be your low. So basically saying that this would be the low of the day, and then price will pump up, pump up, pump up, pause, right? Go at a certain high. This would be your high today, and then come back down and then close, and then that's how you would get your bullish candle. So it would look something like this. Asian, London. It might consolidate during a London, then during New York, it'll come down during New York, and then during 9:30 to 10, price will give you that displacement, right? And then we will wait between 9:30 to 10:30. It can do like this, and then 10:30 you get your hour flip, and then 12 to 4 probably get that draw to liquidity, right? So 12 to 4 is like draw to that liquidity, and then continue to go up. So this would be like your open, which is here. This would be your low of the day, right? And then all of this area right here would be that body of the candlestick. Let's say this right here would be like your high right here. And then price would do something like this, right? And then that's basically it, right? But
One, it gave us an idea of where the market wants to go. See, look, true New York, underneath the true day. This is where what? This is where smart money is doing what, guys? Buying. So essentially, this is your whole entire Judas swing. And look, third quarter, pumped up. So we got TP1s right now. I don't know if you took it. If you didn't, it's all good. I'll quote it right here, that 38 level right here. Sent it to you guys. But you can see that pin bar kind of gave everything I needed to see. But as soon as price swept this low down here, I just took the entry. Like, okay. I'm holding this trade. Right. I want to see price come down here. Probably maybe get a re-entry here. But mind you, saying keep that in mind. Like this is based off of if you caught an entry down here. So when I see price hit a zone, makes structure, the probability of it going up is high, and I want to take that risk. Be mechanical. You want to be mechanical. Everything's mechanical, right? And what I mean by that is like, yo, um, you don't want to think too much about it. You don't want to use your emotions. You see the system, execute. 1, 2, 3, execute. If you lose, put it in your journal. This happened, that happened, this happened. Right? So just put that in perspective. Right. So I want to see price come through, hit this zone. I might add another entry. Remember, all price does what? It seeks imbalances and liquidity. You got the displacement, beautiful displacement, price pull it back into a fair value gap. Then in regards to, let's say, daily profile, what do we have? We have Asian tightening range, and then we have the London tightening range, and then we got New York manipulating into some type of higher time frame PDRA. And then that's how you trade, baby. That's it. 1, 2, 3. We looked at the time. What was price doing during the times? Most important shit, yo. Right? So Asian, London consolidation, New York manipulation, expansion, right? And you got your power of 3, AMD, right? Classic buy day, right? So what happened, right? So look, we had from 2 to 5, right? So we got the high, close, open, low, right? So price opened, price came down, right? Manipulated into some type of higher time frame PDRA. Then price came all the way up here, right? Then came right back down, clean, close. Then we got the 1 hour PDRA right here, right? From London Titan range from 8:30 to 9:30, 8:30 to 10. What it do? Here, manipulating to some type of PDRA. Price came through, waited for a pullback into some type of area of interest. Boom. Right? Same thing right here. Right? And what happens? It happens often what high impact news. Asian, tight range. London, tight range. From what time? From 1 to 5 a.m. Tight range. Then New York, manipulated into what? 1 hour time frame PDRA, correct? Right? Then displacement, this is exactly